Welcome back. In this video, we will install Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular and powerful code editors in the world. Whether you are learning Python, web development, or any programming language, VS Code makes coding easier, faster, and more organized. Let's get started. Before we install VS Code, let me explain one simple thing. What is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is a tool that helps you write code more easily and more clearly. It gives you features like colorful syntax highlighting, auto suggestions, error checking, and a built-in terminal. Basically, an IDE makes coding 10 times easier for beginners. And one of the best IDE for Python is Visual Studio Code. So now let's install VS Code step by step. First, open your browser and go to Google. Type download VS Code and press enter. Click on the first link, the official website, code.visualstudio.com. Once the website opens, you will see a big button that says Download for Windows. Click on that button. Your download will begin immediately. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds or a little longer. After the download is complete, open your downloads folder. You should see a file named something like VS Code user setup -x64.exe. Double click this file to start the installation. A setup window will open. Now follow the setup steps. First, accept the license agreement and click Next. This window shows how much space is required to install Visual Studio Code on your system. Keep the folder at the default location. If you want, you can install it in a different folder by clicking on Browse and selecting your desired location. I am installing it in the default location, so click Next. This window shows that a shortcut will be created in the Start menu. Keep it as same default again and click Next. Now you will see an important step. Select additional tasks. Here, tick these two checkboxes. Register code as an editor for supported file types and add to path for command line. These options will make it easier to open folders and run VS Code from the terminal. If you see these options really ticked, already ticked, then click Next. In the current window, you can see a summary of the selected options and the folder location where Visual Studio Code will be installed. After cross-checking everything, if all settings are correct, click Install. The installation will start. Wait until it finishes. Once the installation is completed, tick the option Launch Visual Studio Code. Don't worry if it is already ticked, and click Finish. VS Code will now open. You will see a clean welcome screen with options to create a new file or open a folder. This is where you will write and run your code. VS Code is lightweight, fast, and supports thousands of extensions for every language. Now, let's install the most important extension, the Python extension. On the left side panel, click on the extensions icon or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. In the search box, type Python. Click Install on the extension published by the Microsoft. This extension gives you syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, auto suggestions, error detection, run button, debugging tools. This is all you need to write your Python code in Visual Studio Code. Now we need to select Python interpreter. Look at the bottom left corner of VS Code. You will see the Python version. Click on it to select an interpreter. If you don't see it, press Ctrl Shift P to open the command palette. Now type Python and select Python Select Interpreter. From the list, choose the Python version that you just installed on your system. Once selected, VS Code is now ready to run Python programs. In the next video, we will write our first Python program. Congratulations! You have successfully installed VS Code and set up Python inside it. From the next video onwards, we will start writing real Python programs. Make sure to subscribe and continue your learning journey with me. See you in the next video.